Hey, I'm Alex and today we're making sheet pan chicken quesadillas. Here's what you are going to need. You will need 2 large sheet pans, 8 large burrito-sized tortillas, whatever cheese you want to use. I will be using sharp cheddar and a Mexican cheese blend, 1 to 2 cups of seasoned and cooked chicken, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted butter or cooking spray of your choice. Then's the fun part where you can add whatever extra toppings that you want. The toppings that I will be using are onions, tomatoes, black olives, jalapenos, and a couple of sauces. One of them is crema sauce that I got in a recent grocery haul if you want to check that one out. All right, then we're gonna preheat our oven to 425 and we'll get this thrown together. First, we're gonna take some of that melted butter and butter our pan. We are then gonna cover the bottom of the sheet pan with our tortillas. It's gonna take 7 to cover the bottom. Our base layers are cheese, and then we're going in with all of our toppings. And finally, we're going to add a second layer of cheese on top because cheese makes everything better, and it's also gonna hold our toppings in place. Then we will add our final tortilla right in the middle here, and we are gonna fold these tortillas around it. After we've brushed the top with melted butter, I'm going to place a piece of parchment paper on the top, and then we're going to place the second sheet pan on top of that, and that is how we're going to bake it in the oven. We're going to put that in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Then we'll take off that parchment paper in the second pan and bake it for another 5 minutes until it's golden brown. After we've taken it out of the oven, I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes before cutting into it, just to let it cool down and let that cheese set a little bit. And then you can top it with whatever you like to top your tacos with. Enjoy!